Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your batteries draining quickly from your Fire TV remote. Now the first thing that we want to go ahead and do is simply remove the batteries from the back of it, just like this. And then we're going to hold down the power button. Then what we want to do is press every single button on the remote and go up and down it 3 to 4 times. So make sure you're pressing all the buttons, and maybe there's a button that's lodged in, and this is keeping the remote activated, using up the batteries. So I don't feel any buttons stuck in. Then you can turn around the remote and then you can tap it on your hand about 5 to 6 times, just like this. Hopefully dislodge any kind of button that's stuck in. Then place the batteries back in the remote. Now this next step could really help the issue as well. Now this next step is important too. Press the back button, the menu button, and the left dial button, and hold this down for about 10 to 15 seconds. So return the home screen here, and you'll notice that the remote will be reset because it's going to scroll back and select the home button. So just continue to hold this down and return home. You can see it right there. And if I move around, I should still be able to control my Fire TV Cube. But if I press the Alexa button, it says we're going to have to pair the remote again. So let's go on over to settings right here and select this. Go on down to controllers and Bluetooth devices. Then go to Amazon Fire TV remotes, and then go to add new remote, and you should be able to see your remote under here. Otherwise, hold down the home button if it doesn't show up, and the light on the upper right side of the remote should start blinking after about 5 to 10 seconds, and then it will be placed in the Bluetooth pairing mode, and it should show up under this list where it says searching. So I can see my remote right here. I'm just going to select the center dial button here, and it should be fully connected. So my light is still blinking. Now it's stopped. I'm going to select this, and my remote should be paired now. So it's connecting. The light is blue. It is fully connected. If I press the Alexa button, Alexa is working. So this should fix your batteries from draining. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.